This might be the most incredible travel power bank Nitecore has ever made. This is the brand new Carbo 20, a 20,000 milliamp hour 65 watt fast charge power bank built for people who don't just carry gear, they depend on it. If you're traveling with cameras, drones, laptops, anything that matters, this is designed to keep everything powered without slowing you down. And today we're going to walk through exactly what makes this different, how it performs, and why this might be the only power bank you need in your bag. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in the Carbo 20, we have it linked down below. Let's get into it. At a glance, this is a 20,000 milliamp hour power bank with up to 65 watts of output, but that doesn't necessarily tell the full story. Because what Nitecore did here isn't just increase capacity, they rebuilt the platform. Compared to the Carbo 20,000, this is plain and simple the Carbo 20,000 on steroids. You're getting more usable energy, massively increased output, and a design that's clearly built for real-world, high-demand use. Even when you look at rated output, you're seeing around 13,500 milliamp hours at 5 volts, which gives you a more honest picture of what you're working with in the field. But where this really separates itself is efficiency. With the upgraded internal platform, you're getting about 17% more usable energy compared to the Carbo 20,000. That means more real charges, less wasted energy, and more confidence when you're out and relying on it. And then there's the output, 65 watts. That's the difference between slowly topping off your phone and actively powering laptops, camera batteries, drones, tablets, multiple devices at once. This isn't a backup battery. This is a power system for your everyday carry. Using the Carbo 20 is simple, but there's a lot happening behind the scenes that makes it feel more capable than a typical power bank. Starting with the ports. You've got dual USB-C ports and both are built for performance. One port handles input and output up to 65 watts. The second gives you additional output so you can charge multiple devices at once. That means you could run something like a laptop and your phone at the same time. No waiting, no swapping cables. And one of the most useful features here is pass-through charging. So you can plug the power bank into the wall and at the same time it's charging your devices. That's huge for travel. Hotel room, airport, coffee shop, you plug it in once and everything charges together. Now on the front, you've got a built-in display screen. This gives you a real-time readout of battery percentage and charging status. So instead of guessing with indicator lights, you always know exactly where you stand. Quick tap of the button and you're good. Now let's talk about performance under load because this is where things get interesting. Inside, the Carbo 20 is running a high voltage 18 volt platform with active balancing BMS technology. And what that translates to in real use is better efficiency, more stable output, and less energy loss. On top of that, you've got a full heat management system built in. This includes magnesium alloy heat sinks, an internal MCU, and dual temperature sensors, all working together to monitor and regulate temperature in real time. So when you're pushing 65 watts, charging something demanding, it's not just fast, it's stable. In testing, it can maintain full power output for extended periods without dropping off, which is something you don't always see in this category. And then there's durability. This thing is built for the outdoors. Carbon fiber shell, a waterproof design rated IPX8, fully submersible up to 2 meters. So whether you're traveling, hiking, or working outside, this isn't something you have to baby. It's built to go with you. And despite all of that, it still comes in at around 11.29 ounces. This is one of those products where once you understand what it's doing, it just makes sense. The first thing that stands out is the weight. The second is flexibility. Dual USB-C, pass-through charging, 65 watts output. You're not thinking about power anymore. You're just using your gear, charging camera batteries on the go, keeping a drone powered between shots, and making sure your laptop is always ready. And honestly, this feels like the one. If you've been waiting for a power bank that keeps up with everything else you carry, this is it. If you're interested in the Nitecore Carbo 20, check out the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We got plenty of videos coming your way. We'll see you guys in the next one.